and today we are with Penguini. Otherwise,
Penguino, dude, your name's
Penguino. Oh my god. So, sorry about the face cam, we couldn't get it working. And if you're surprised that my name is Penguini, it's because I changed it because there's 16 million thousand Minecraft Masters, so it doesn't really work out that well. So
okay, so we're gonna start the stream, boys.
Yeah, I'm not streaming though. He's streaming, so you can practically still.
Yeah, make sure to check me out too, Gynflopper.
Leave a like
and we're starting streaming in 3, 2, 1. Oh, the stream is live. The stream is live.
Okay,
boys.
what lobby?
Oh wait, I need to actually get in. So the stream is live, boys.
What lobby?
Lobby. We're in lobby.
Let's go lobby 1.
No, which one has the most?
Oh, lobby 4.
Okay, I'm already in lobby. No, do lobby 3. It has a ton of people.
Oh my god. Actually.
Do lobby 3. And then go into Egg Wars. Okay, so we have...
Yeah, we're playing some Egg Wars today. We're gonna get a boss.
Outside the window.
Okay. Wait, meet by the team thing.
The team what?
The team.
What team thing? I don't see no team thing.
Like where you pick your teams.
I don't see it. Go over to team.
The speed team. Go to the speed team.
Okay, oh, I see you, I see you. No, is this you?
You do? I'm Stevie.
No, that's not you.
Wait, stay there.
Oh, I know why. What? You're in lobby 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in lobby 3. I was in the lobby 3. Okay, so is that you at the speed?
Oh, I'm not at speed. Okay, go to speed.
Are you looking up?
Go to speed.
I'm at speed. What lobby? Go into your lobby.
Yeah.
And go into lobby 4.
Yeah.
Okay, and go to speed.
Yeah, we should do a speed game. Okay.
No, just to
Okay, oh, I see her.
Okay, go over to team now, the regular. Okay, finally. So we're gonna do a little bit of
What?
Tea party.
What?
Right.
Yeah.
And join team Cyan.
Cyan? Okay.
Are you in?
Yeah.
Woo, boy.
Okay, I guess I'll see you when I'm in the glass thing, guys. Bye.
Oh.
So, it just started. And it's probably gonna glitch, yeah. Okay, so, wait. Let's do overpowered and...
No health.
Okay.
Dude, you should start your video.
Yeah, I did.
Don't come in here, don't. No, what? Stop.
I'm just getting it for. Okay. You should tell them you don't want them. Wait. Guys, I'll see you at mid. Okay? Guys, I think I'm gonna build that right now. Mid. Just get some diamondos and leave, I guess. What else can we do? I don't have any. Oh god, please help me, I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die.
Okay, light blue is about to be cheese. And the white blue's chest.
I heard that potato thought for days. Oh, you're not killing them? Oh, do you have no stuffy?
Oh, I survived. I survived. I won half of a heart. I'm stuck down in the underworld. I
that
survived
thing?
by one half of a heart. Oh gosh. Dude, I completely wrecked it. Okay, now I'm gonna get purple since oh, 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 pop, 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 pop. That was neat.
Got slain, boy. Hey.
Wait, is anyone coming to our base?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure. Yeah! Yes!
Oh,
I just... What are you doing, guys? Kill him!
I'm the lone tiger, I guess. Did you just die?
Yeah.
Okay, dude, watch out for me. You can watch out. I'm about to cheese purple. You can tell me if like anyone's above me.
Cheese purple?
Yeah, I'm cheesing. Yes.
Where are purples?
Oh, never mind.
Okay. So, guys, I'll see you in the next round, I guess. So, goodbye. So, playing golf solo. I don't actually know what color I am.
I'm gonna. There's the ball in front of you. That's what color you are.
Oh, what?
Ball in front of your island is what color you are.
Blue.
You're light blue?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gray.
So, guys, let's vote for normal items. Look,
No.
you do this too.
I'm doing
Normal items, double health.
I did OP items.
Fine. But double health. Oh, no, triple health.
No, do double health stuff.
Double health. Do double health, please. Well, do it.
No.
Double health.
Come on, we need more papers. Ah.
Okay.
Okay, finally.
Wait, actually, I'm pretty sure this is going to take a long time. I'll see you.
No, dude, we're starting right
Oh,
now.
God. Okay, thank you for telling me that. Oh, God.
Dude, I'm just doing the thing that I always do. Around the clock. This is the first time we've been on different teams.
I'm gonna protect my bed, boy.
Not a bed.
Oh yeah, my egg.
A bed? It's not a bed, bro. Not a bed.
Is there only one gold generator?
There's only one gold and one iron.
No, there's 2 iron.
Where's the other one?
It's by the cobwebs.
Well, then where's the... Oh, yeah. I see it. Nothing there to say.
Oh, I think we're on OP items.
No, we're on.
Oh, that sucks. I really feel like I'm just about to get cheesed. And that is not a good feeling.
Someone died. Oh, my neighbor was...
I would like food, please. Let me get some obsidian around my egg.
No!
Oh, I can see you.
Oh, I just knocked him out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going around the rock, bro.
Oh, wait, don't come to me. Oh god, this is gonna be bad. I only have one obsidian. I need more. Someone's chasing me. Oh no, actually.
Oh no, that's not good. I'll go check your neighbor.
Yep, please, bro. I just died. Okay. Thank you for watching that episode,
No,
and I'll see you later.